Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of
Ahoy! I'm Clyde. I'm Cletus.
I'm Marty.
And this is Bad Boy Fishing. Welcome to the Lake of the Ozarks. We're going to show you how to fish from a fundamental standpoint. Oh, he thinks he's got something. Let's roll the footage.
We're going to start out with a little fundamentals on how to cast a rod.
Barty, Aunt Jan said that you're holding the pole wrong.
Like I said, you want to hold this end with the frog. When there's something on your lure, you want it to go in the water, not you.
Hey, Barty, don't catch my hair. Barty, you got some stuff stuck in your teeth. Let's get some good footage on that one. Hey, Barty.
What? What is it? Oh, what? You fell your mouth. All right, I'm going back to casting here. 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh. That's pop fly right there.
Nice
one, Cletus.
That's where I think the fish are
Barty.
wet.
Hey, I'm over here, Clyde. Perfect. Barty, you stupid idiot. It's not stuck in my finger. Ow!
I'm sorry, Clyde.
Barty, you dummy idiot.
They got it out, didn't they?
Hey, it's mostly monster. This is good. Good. Barty, you're doing good. Perfect. I think it could be a gator or something. Oh, it could be a gator. Maybe a shark. I think you got a shark there, Barty. Hold up. Hey, we got one. It's rolling. Okay. My boy Barty, he got a. Hey, easy. He's doing it real nicely. Hey. Oh, he gonna kiss it? Hey, Barty, congratulations on your first kiss, brother. Let me try that. Let me try it. Oh, mother of pearl! Goodness gracious! Pick it up, Barty. We're doing great out here. There's a live action for the bad boy fishing. Oh, poor guy. He's knocking over the fishing pole. Poor guy. Perfect. Too much publicity for Barty. Cut it off.
What you got there?
Well, this is a fish.
It's a fish.
Cletus, you done good.
It's a good one. Look at that.
It's a beaut.
That is a beaut. He's a good fish.
I think it's largemouth.
I don't know. He would know.
We're environmentalists, so we care about the fish. We're gonna take care of this guy, and he's gonna go free. See you, buddy. That's live action.
free as we'll ever be, just as free as we'll ever be.
Jack, what's happening?
Jack, that was my nickname on the lake. Hey, Marty. Like rainforest. Can see freedom. As we can see, I got something gnarly on my line. Okay, keep it reeling up. Okay, good. It might be a pike. Could be a shark. You never know in these freshwater cools. Might be an alligator. Could be an alligator. Good thing I ain't Jan.
Might be a gator.
Somebody give me, oh goodness gracious. I think I'm about to have a hernia. Oh goodness. Boys. This is a good one.
I think you need to go like this to it.
Okay, good. Like she said, that's another technique I was about to show you. We're gonna break this down from a fundamental standpoint. You see how my wrist is like taut, like at an angle. I'm gonna really reel in like. This is good for our television.
Very good.
How many viewers do we have?
We got about 56 right now.
That's a world record. Personal record.
How you feeling, Dan?
I'm about to break a sweat.
Break a sweat?
I don't usually work out.
You don't work out?
Does it look like I do?
Maybe.
Steroids. Cletus?
Yeah.
Nope, you're Barty.
Bridges, what do you think about this?
His name's Barty.
Barty, what do you think about
We
it?
are here and we are fishing.
Mm-hmm. That's a good way to say it, brother.
What do you think
Oh.
about Dan's big fish he's pulling in right now?
Oh, well, guess what to see when he gets in the boat, because I haven't seen him in the boat.
Yeah, we've been rolling about 2 minutes now, and we still are waiting.
Okay, you might want to stop this then for a little bit. Some people don't know how to dress properly here at the lake. You see, it's all cool to have your shirt off, show off the ladies, but when you've been wearing a Speedo like that, Did they wave to me?
They wave to me.
Nah.
What's the name of their boat?
Hey, you don't. Okay, somebody get this. Somebody get this. It's gonna be a big one. I feel it. I feel it. Somebody. Oh! Yes! Somebody get the net. Somebody get the net.
You are dead, Dan.
Jack,
Jack,
kind of
your
bend over there
boy.
and grab that. Grab that big old stick fish.
Son of a gun.
Oh, that's a big old stick fish. Look at that.
This is my personal record. I might say. Somebody
There's no snakes hanging off.
Somebody get my picture. I was really looking for this one. This is the one I've been searching for all weekend. This is why I'm here. Bless America, thank God. Bad boy fishing.
You got it.
Film her.
What'd you say?
know,
You got Barty 2 cookies, and she only got me 1.
this is dumb messed up. Hey boys.
How you feeling, Mom? I think she's close.
You gotta watch the rod. You gotta watch the rod.
What's wrong?
I've been down here for 3 hours. I didn't catch none. Except for that stick. Hey, I did catch that stick. That was real.
That did happen.
Real nice.
No, he's not on.
Oh, what we got here? Leaf?
On me?
We smacked that thing right
This is a lure.
Lure.
It's been a real good, nice day out here fishing. You know, we're kind of getting tired just because a lot of reeling in. Oh, we're crossing. We're crossing, boys. Oh, turn it off. Turn it off. It's embarrassing. It's on my pole. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. Oh, do we see how much it's bending? This could be at least a 13-pound catfish. Son of a gun.
Oh, what is that?
That's guy.
It's a bluegill.
Oh, you're a pro at those branches.
Yeah, Mother Nature.